Click to open a Google form or create a new one. Click the three dots. Click Add Collaborators. Click a contact's name or type an email address. You can add more than one collaborator, if desired. By default, collaborators are automatically notified by email. The Notify People option as a checkbox can be toggled on or off. If you don't want to send out this notification, toggle off Notify People, and the box to type a message goes away. Type message. If you chose not to notify people, you will no longer type a message. You can advance to the next step. Click Send. That's it. You're done.